Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to change paper size in Canva. In this tutorial, I will use a PDF I uploaded before. If you want to see how to upload it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I click to open PDF file. Next, we can check the size. We can go to File, and this is the size of PDF file. If we want to resize it, in Canva, we have two options. The first option, we can use Resize here. This is the features in Canva Pro. If you want to use it, you need to subscribe Canva Pro. Now I click to resize it. We can choose the size here, or we can search. For example, I search A4, and then we can choose A4 portrait here. And then we can resize this document, or we can copy and resize to new document. I will choose copy and resize to new document and wait a moment. And then we can click A4 to create a new document. And then we can go to File and check the size. This is A4 size. This is the first way. The second way, we can go to File and create a design. And then we can create a blank document. For example, we can search A4, and then we can use document in A4 portrait. After A4 design page is created, and then we can go back to original PDF, and then we can press Ctrl A to select all the elements, or we can check all elements. We can go to Position and Layers. We can check all elements are selected, and then we can press Ctrl C, and then go back to New Design page and press Ctrl V to paste all elements to new design page. And then we can group them together and then go to click and drag the corner, resize it, and we can move it. And we can use the arrow key to move it. Let me try again. Yeah. And also we can select the individual elements to move it, or we can scale it. So this is how we can change paper size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.